hello. We are together with the perfect one Olympic question. Welcome. How would you solve this question if you were? Please state your opinion in the comments. Subscribe and please don't forget to like. Let's start. Now first, if you pay attention, one equation is equal to 73. Two equation is equal to 73. Then I will use this feature. X squared minus y is equal to e squared minus x. Let's edit some x square. Minus e squared plus x minus y is equal to 0. What can I do next? If we remember the part here, what was the expression we call a squared minus b squared? A minus b times. It was a plus b, I use it. X minus y times x plus e plus x minus y is equal to 0. If you pay attention to this part, x minus y, this part says x minus y. Then I use this expression. I get x minus y, common multiplier bracket x minus y, times x plus y. One will come from this part. Later, this expression should be, and this expression should be 0. X minus y is 0. What can I do from this part that x is equal to y? I can tell this. Let's replace it in the first question immediately. What was our first question? X squared minus y is equal to 73. A squared minus x is equal to 73. Let's try one of the friends we found. What will happen in this case? I write in this equation, x squared minus x is equal to 73. If I added a little more x squared minus x, 73 is equal to 0. Later, I want to factor this, but not quite. Let's go to delta b squared minus 4a times b times c. Let's apply the formula. Minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 73 if we arrange a little more 1. It will be 73 here. Let's write it in brackets. Multiply these numbers by 292. 293 was bigger than 0. If we look at the roots, it's 1.2 minus 1 plus minus 293. 2 times 1 in the root. If I added a little more, 1.2 is equal to 1 plus minus. I got the result of 293, 2 in the root. But what part should we pay attention to here? The question is, in the first place, he said it was an integer. This expression is not one integer, so we can't take this. Now I need to think of something different. Then that part over there, I focus. I should change a little here. I say x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. How else can I write x plus y? Equals 1, we got this. The first given, let's rewrite the equations. X squared minus y is equal to 73. A squared minus x is equal to 73. Let's collect them. What will happen if we collect x squared plus y squared minus parenthesis x plus y is equal to 146. Now what can we do next? Look what we said above in this part. If you say otherwise, we said x plus y is negative 1. I'm bringing it in this equation. I'm writing it instead. X squared plus y squared minus 1 is 146. When x squared plus y squared is 145. We got it from here. Now look at questions like this. There are x squares and y squares. Then what should we do? X plus y to the bracket squared, or the parentheses of x minus y. We need to go to the square. If I split it here, I get the bracket squared of x plus y. X squared plus y squared. So we get plus 2 times x times y. Now what can I do next? X plus. We know what he is. Here, we know it's -1. Then x plus. Let's write 1 where I see it. -1 squared is equal to, let's write 145 where I see x squared plus y squared. Plus 2xy has arrived. 1 equals 145 plus 2xy. If we arrange a little more 2xy, we found that -144 is equal to. Now we have a lot of things revealed. Now we got the bracket square of x plus y here. Now let's take the parenthesis square of x minus y. X minus y's parenthesis squared. X squared plus y squared will be -2xy. If we write these values instead of, I wrote 145 where we see x plus y squared. I write -144 instead of this expression. X minus y squared is equal to, in this case, x minus y squared, 145 plus 144x minus y square. It was 289. What square is the number we call 289 now, friends? 17 squared. Because it's 17 squared, then two different what will we have here will be our solution. What can I say here? X minus y. The expression we call x minus y, 17 will come out. And the expression we call x minus y will be -17. What do I have? xy, let's do this to x. We have -144, so x minus y is -72. From these three information, we will try to find xy integers. Now here's a little bit, so the multiples are -172. Pardon, multiples -72. The differences will be 17 and -17. For example, if I think, I gave this friend 9, I said minus. I said -8. Yes, it really does. Then what will be our sequential duo coming from here? 9 minus 8. If we pay attention here, he wanted us to subtract from each other here, -9. If we take minus normal 8, would it be equal to -17? Yes, then what came from here, -9? 8 has arrived. Now here, we need to pay attention, of course, x. I know that y multiplications take a lot of values, but at the same time, I need to find value that meets these conditions. Our answers are 9. -8 and -9 is going to be 8. Thank you for listening to me. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel. Please see you. Bye-bye.